Yeah, it seems that the video problems was solved. Let me see Twitch if all is right. We can start. Perfect. Um, Today is the food holiday, so we are going to start with the Bratarina machine. It's a Windows machine with 10 points on the OCCP proving grounds. I think that it's easy for a start. Let me show you how to access and exploit it. Um, One of the important things of this machine, Terminator, uh, is that Terminator, yeah, is that we don't need to perform privilege escalation streaming because the vulnerable service encadir Bratarina, yeah, cd Bratarina, because the vulnerable service it's worked with root permissions and is the most highest permission at the operating system. So this is the way to entry. Encadir, nmap, scripts, data, and exploits. And inside of nmap, we are going to perform nmap tool scan over the target machine. So let me check it. We can start it during the nmap recognition. We are going to check the open ports that there are the port number 25 that is SMTP, the 22 that is the SSH service, the port 18 that is to HTTP, and the 4045 that belong to Samba service. So let me for example check the web service during this process. Say the proxy server is refusing connections because proxy is setting to local from users a proxy. So right now it seems that the service is worked, but the portal. So let me see the source code. It seems that it's not finished the source code because not contain the IP of the on the URL reference. So we can try to access, for example, to auth login. This auth login need the IP, for example, HTTP 192 168 dot 5 71 at port 18, but it seems that redirect directly to the same web page. So we can try to fuse this one during this process. So wfoot at this point. The important thing is, okay, Samba is open. Um, Open SMTPD version. Um, mm, 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 say this open SMTPD version report bugs in the implementation. Please contact with bug open source. So it seems that this service search exploit has a vulnerability. So say mail from read local privilege escalation, uh, local privilege escalation plus remote code execution. Um, for example, this one is remote code execution. So we are going to check this one because it's the cd dot is our step at this moment. Cd exploit. Um, Inside of this search exploit minus m, inside of this directory we are copy the exploit. So let me review it. It's a target IP, target port, and command. So an example is touch tmp blah blah blah. So it seems simple. Python 3. This is the exploit, and the target IP is 225 and 71. The second one, the first one, the second one is the port 25, and the second one is the command. For example, who am I? Not. Payload send and say done, but don't seems that we found a response, but why not? It's possible create obtain a payload. So Python 3 reverse shell one line. For example, with this one. Okay, so we can split this one and make a netcat to Python 3. In that case, we are listening at port 18. The IP, I prefer obtain the IP of the VPN. If config, let me see, is this one. Here is perfect. So at this point, who am I? Sorry. Here, who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Yeah, Kali. So ID, this one. This is at local. So we are trying to execute this one. At the exploit. So could be this one. um mm, mm, and this one, but this one should be splitted on this one. um what is the others? Here and here. Pelusen, but it not seem that it worked. So why not? We can review and exploit db.com about open SMTP, read local privilege escalation, metasploit. um, Linux metasploit and Linux this one is not that metasploit version, so that is the same. um, yes, mail from local privilege escalation plus remote arbitrary file read. um, Local Linux, let me see, this is at metasploit. And let me see this one, include statics define. This is at C version, or what kind of language is this one? uh, 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 include C, default style, quali sync, warranties. Mm, mm. So maybe at GitHub, um, open SMTP, remote command execution. Mm, mm. See, exploit suggester, metasploit. I don't want to use metasploit. um mm, Local file privilege escalation. So here I have my cheat sheet about the machine. So mm, mm, maybe I should create a payload with a mm, yes. Mm, mm, Let me see. Not because I do this. 47, 9, 8, 41. Yeah, this one. So maybe uh, so uh, so but I want this at raw version. So mm, W get this one. um okay, move 43 to 47 to this one. Yes. So Python 3. um yes, local AP. mm-hmm. Why not? Why not? uh, Maybe I use it. um, mm, um, Notepad, text editor. My IP, it's if config this one. mm, mm, and the chosen port, it's 18. Okay, let me try again. um, mm, 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 mm. Okay, who am I? ID. So cd home and nail. Cd nail um, LA. There are no user flag here, so at root we can obtain the proof.txt. Okay, maybe another way to do this is create with MSF Venom here, or create our own scripts. So maybe we can do this one. Is work it. So beam custom exploit custom cell dot sh, and we can do this one here. Without quotes. mm, mm, this is this input is bin bash. Yes. Okay, this is this one. one, and here the bin bash could be modified too. Final is this one. So um, echo spawn reverse cell. So at port 80 I can see smooth the custom cell and execute this one custom cell. Yeah, so who am I? Kali. Exit. Yes, I can do the same with sudo permissions. Sudo. This is Kali. Yeah, and we obtain a terminal with sudo. This is the step on the target machine. So at this point it's possible upload and execute a file on the target machine. For example, wget http. This could be the command. Sorry. HTTP my attacker IP, that is if config. Let me see. Add port, for example, 99. This is custom cell sh. We can do on ch mode plus x2 custom cell. Let me modify this one. Yeah, like this. If all is working fine, launch this I'm not sure that all is working in one liner, but we need to try it. Python 3 -m, so HTTP server. So don't work. Okay, maybe one of them don't working fine. So maybe this out. Let me see. Wget -help. Oh yes, it's work. So who am I? Root. ID root. It's a sim that need more time that I wait, but it's working properly. So perfect. This is all for this machine. We are going to continue with another one. I hope that you learn about the vulnerability. This is easy. So see you.